Why does your scanner show the P2141 engine code? What does it mean? P2141 is a diagnostic trouble code for Exhaust Gas Recirculation Throttle Control Circuit Low. This engine code indicates that this specifically indicating a low input voltage. This usually points to a short or open circuit in the wiring or a faulty EGR throttle valve. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR throttle actuator, wiring issues, open or shorted circuit, low voltage at the EGR valve, EGR valve problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture, since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford Focus, Peugeot, Dodge Ram, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.